The first song I'm going to be translating for you guys is Abracadabra Robbery. Yeah fam, this is one of the hottest tracks in the UK this year. If you don't know this, what are you doing with your life? Obviously, there's no word for trap in Somali, so I'm just going to say house, because that's essentially what it is. So don't come at me. Man don't talk, man rob. Nin mahadlo, nin wuhada. Run up in the trap like boss. Where the money there, food da finyan. Guyi korod, kaba aw lacagti unto the unil high. Take away am panasheti before you get chopped. Ga'anta dik lih min dida dik alwaka jaraya. Bomba klat, ya idia, don't bother try run. Bomba klat. Dokon, hey, isku dayin ina oradid. Chris Brown, these hoes ain't loyal. Ayo, I'm not gonna lie, I was fully looking forward to this one, innit? Just got rich, tajiran of it. Took a broke nigga's girl, nin fakri, nakti zakakati. I can make a broke girl rich. Nak fakri tajiran kidikara, but I don't F with broke girls. Like nak fakri mil ayari. Got a white girl with some fake titties. Gabar adana sawata on nasa bugle. I took her to the bay with me. Big and Owate. Eyes closed, smoking marijuana. In there, no head and hashisha looking. Rolling up that Bob Marley, I'm a Rasta. Bob Marley, I don't call Dubaneno. Rasta Nahay. Yo. Hey, that's too much, man. Hey, that's too much. Young Thug, I don't even know what he's saying in English. I don't understand what you expect me to say. Young Thug with that. I beg you, listen to it. 1 second, just listen and explain to me how you expect me to react to this song. There's absolutely no way I'm translating that. You know what, I'll just take the L for that one, because there's absolutely no way I can translate that. There's no way. Mo Stack, the Liar remix. The person who sent me this one asked me to do the last 2 lines with Hhhhhh and Mo Stack. It's one of my favorite lines in the song too, so why not? You're lying, it's written all over. Benta the way, Melkasti Quarantai. You ain't the gal them sugar, you're the gal them chauffeur. Gabdaha sokor ko the miti, Watai, Gabdaha darawal ko, you're the gal them joker. Gabdaha kaftan ko that tie, sitting on your face, you're the gal them sofa. Wiji ko for this, Gabdaha kusugo that tie. Yo, these men go hard, fam, I'm not gonna lie. Everyone's favorite song right now, Young M.A. Ooh, everyone's favorite song. You can't even deny it.
That shit chicken, why she texting me? Why she keep calling my phone, speaking sexually? Every time I'm out, why she stressing me? You call her Stephanie, I call her Heffany. I don't open doors for her. I just want the neck, nothing more.
If that's your chick, then why she texting me? Nakta data, I need text so dressa. Why she keep calling my phone, speaking sexually? I need so why say she can't. Every time I'm out, why she stressing me? Marcus on banana why you walisa? You call her Stephanie, I call her Heffany. I know how I Stephanie, I know how I'm Motherfany. I don't open doors for a hoe. I need back move for it. I just want some neck, nothing more. I need to